I don't remember being here with you that night.
Okay. What do you remember? How are you rewired?
I remember that we had to stop the travelers.
Yeah.
You had a plan, but you didn't tell anyone what you were doing, and the next thing I know, you're dead. I heard that you drove your car into the grill and then blew yourself up so that you could trigger some explosion.
There's just one little part of that story that you're missing. You got in the car with me.
What?
I was all ready to go, and the door opens, and you jump in the car and say, "We're in this together." And you weren't taking no for an answer. That was the moment I realized you were the perfect girl for me, because you were just as crazy as I was.
Okay, tell me more. Something happy?
Okay, happy. Well, there is a motel ice machine in Denver that's got some stories.
What else?
Well, can't forget the night of your graduation.
Well, I did. So...
Shame. Probably one of your best speeches. You, in your very passionate and adorable way, told me you were in love with me. And hell, if you were going to apologize for it. But my favorite memory of us, one that I've relived a million times over the last 4 months, is this summer night that we had before you went off to college. You wanted to show me this meteor shower. So we drove out in the middle of nowhere. And the moment those shooting stars started to fall, rain. Lots of rain. You were so sure and clear, and it was just easier to believe you. I took your hand.
Never be the right time, will it?
Come on. Time to invent a shift.
No, wait. Just give it a second. It'll clear up. Promise me this is forever.
I promise.
And I wanna kiss you, make you feel alright. I'm just so tired to share my nights. I wanna cry and I wanna love, but all my tears when you stop. On another love, all my tears being used up on another love. All my tears have been used up on another love. All my tears have been used up.